Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ron and today we have a special unboxing. It is a Tesla Model Y floor mats. My good friends from TESERY.com sent them over. So I want to review them, install them, and I want to let you guys know if it's worth an upgrade for your Tesla Model Y or even any Tesla you have. So let's go inside and check these things out. Let's go. Alright y'all, so I had to take this unboxing inside because it is extremely too hot in Florida. It was extremely hot out there. So let me unbox it inside, then I'll take it outside. But these are the floor mats TESERY sent me, and let's unbox them and see how many pieces we got. And we're gonna do it in quick install. All right, so we got the driver's side right here. The passenger side. All right, and then we got the back of the car, the back seat. So we got a 3-piece set from TESERY.com. You can also get the set with the front and the trunk, but right now we just got a 3-piece set. So let's install them. But right off the bat, I can tell you right now, the material is amazing. They got this material right here that feels like it just grips right onto the to your carpet on the car. And then just look at the way this looks. It looked like if anything spills on it, you'll be able to just wipe it off real quick. But we'll do a spill test on these floor mats real quick. So let's head outside and check these things out. Tesla. All right, everyone. I just wanted to, before I pull it out, show you the Tesla Model Y original mats that it comes with. Now you could tell like the dirt just sticks to these mats. So hopefully this new mat will be able to, you know, dust off the dirt real quick and dust. So let's pull these out and just compare the two. All right, so right off the bat, let me show you both floor mats side by side. As you can see, the original Tesla floor mats are a little flimsy. The dust sticks to it, but just look at these from TESERY.com. The material is nice. It feels like everything grips to this material right here. So let's see how it fits exactly inside the car so we could give you a real test. All right, so this should be a quick, easy install. It should already line up with the Tesla Model Y. And look at that, boom. Easy install. Hopefully the camera can make out what I'm seeing, but no issues at all. And look, it really hugs the end of it, so nothing could get under the mat. You know how the dirt get under the mat? This looks good, man. I can't complain. Let's install the rest of them, but so far, so good. It hugs, it doesn't move. It just looks visually, it looks better, okay? It looks better than the original floor mats that Tesla sent out. I think it's a no-brainer if you install these mats. If you get a new Tesla, you should get some new floor mats. All right, so let's install the back. The back should be easy as well. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but let me finish it off and then I'll get with you guys. All right, so like I said, this one fits perfect as well. Hugs everything in the corners, so if you drop anything, you shouldn't have any issues with, you know, spilling stuff or damaging the bottom of your carpet. But I love these. I love this, and this material, it feels good. So I feel like nothing, you know, is easy to clean. If you get a little dirt on it, you just wipe it off, spray it off. And we're gonna, you know, get a little dirt on it and then rinse it off. But TESERY.com, if you need floor mats for your Tesla Model Y, TESERY.com has it all. Use my code, it helps the channel out. I'll leave my code in the description, but let's do a test. But let me sit down on this chair first and let's see how it looks. All right, so as you can see, my feet is just a little dusty, and it's good grip on these things, man. Good grip, looks good. We got one more side install, and then I'm gonna do a test and give you my final review. All right, so this is the passenger side as well. I think it just makes the car look even better. Like, I understand, you know, you get these floor mats from Tesla, but I think everyone should install new floor mats. This one looks good. Look at the back. Look at the back, just right off the bat. Looks good. And then the passenger side, the driver's side. And then the driver's side. It looks good. What more can you complain about? You can't complain about these, but let's get some dirt on them. All right, so we got a little bit of dirt action on these Tesla Model Y floor mats. And let me tell you, once you walk around, if you live in the snowy area, or, you know, I used to live in Arizona with the desert and the sand, a lot of stuff just tracks into your vehicle. But all you got to do is take it out. Let's take it out. Real world test. And just shake them out. Shake them out, boom. And put them right back in. The problem is you couldn't really do that with these. You have to vacuum them, because you shake them out, it's still gonna be stuck to these floor mats. All right, so if you out here drinking water, you spill a little water on your floor mats or any kind of juice, all you gotta do is wipe it up real quick. Look at that. Wipe it up. Look at that. It's gone. That is amazing. You don't have to worry about your car smelling, soaked into the carpet. It takes care of it right there. All right, so all you gotta do also is wash it off as well. Look. Seamless. You wash these babies off, and in Florida, this hot sun, honestly, it would dry off in about 5 minutes if you leave it outside, or you could just wash it. You could just wipe it down like I just did. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention, the material on here is very good. It's not very flimsy like the other ones, and it has a nice grip in the bottom. Nice grip. If you're looking to pick these Tesla mats up, please head over to TESERY.com. Everything was super easy. The website is super easy to navigate. Everything for Teslas, Model Y, Model 3, any kind of Tesla you could think about. The accessories is there on the website. The shipping was quick and easy. Everything was top-notch customer service. So please head over to TESERY.com. My link is in the bio. My code is in the bio. All right, so what are my pros and cons? Listen, I don't really have any cons about this product, because you can't go wrong with a floor mat, all right? It's not that hard to review. You install them, you see if it works for you, and they work for me, because first of all, if you have kids, a dog, or anything like that, you don't want to have those original floor mats that comes with a Tesla. You might as well go on to TESERY.com and, look for these floor mats. I'm gonna leave the description below. Use my code if you want a discount, because listen, it helps the channel out and it saves you money, right? So that's a win-win for everyone. It helps you out, it helps me out. So the link is below for these floor mats, but it fits amazing. Everything is good. And they got the different styles. So they have, these are the 3-piece, and I believe they have a 5-piece or a 6-piece. It's on the website. But my good friends over at TESERY.com, thank you very much for sending these over. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more Tesla content on this channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know below, what other accessories do you want to see? There's a lot more accessories coming for this channel, but I want to hear from you. Would you get these floor mats? Do you need floor mats? Do you know anybody that want floor mats? If you do, link is in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Trevor Ron. Until the next one, we out of here.